gonna do my kids SHEIN haul unboxing really quick with you guys. I usually just take pictures and then show the kids and their stuff, but I decided to do it a little different this time. So everything I'm showing you guys is for my youngest baby. It's in size 2 to 3 years old. He's 1. This is a little 2-piece set that I got in the color baby blue. This is what the pants look like. And this is the hoodie. And then it also comes with the fur. Shawty had them apple buns. Hey, hey, hey. Come on, you knocking down my stuff. You knocking down my stuff. So I guess you just put the fur on here like this. It got the little buttons. I guess they are crunchy anyway. Alright, y'all. Got one more. And then we're going to have our model baby try it on real quick.
Model?
Our model Wayne try it on real quick.
Oh, I fixed it.
You sure? Let it go. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the fur. We're going to have them try it now. Wait, should I have them try it on right now? Yeah, hold on one now. Come here, Wayne.
Alright.
What do you have in your mouth? Why are you always finding stuff? Okay, put your arm in.
Yeah.
Vali, Valida.
I am the mean one, Mr. Crunch.
And this is super thick. Like, for this weather that we having, this is perfect.
That's the same thing that I have. But it's kind of, it's blue.
Yeah, yours is black.
Yeah, it's blue.
Hey, look at him.
Nice.
Hey. Wait, why is it, the fur like kind of messed up on it a little bit? I don't know why it's scrunching up like that, but. Alright, let's do the pants. I probably should have did this on the floor. Yeah, I'll be all over the place. Yeah. Back.
What? But you almost fell.
Alright, so this is what we got. So cute. And it fits so perfect. This is 2 to 3 years, y'all, and he's only 1. You like it? You like it? Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Go that way. Go look in the mirror. So next we have these pants right here. Like I said, everything's 2 to 3 years. And it sort of has like this paint distress design on them.
Oh.
Look like on the back. He got some more jeans. Even though he a little short thing, his jeans still be fitting okay.
What?
Got a little distress right here. This is what the back look like. We got what is this? Another pair of jeans.
Yes.
Oh no, this is a jean jacket. This was so cute. When I seen this on the website, I had to give it. Little Bear. Now his dad actually used to call him Bear, not him, but my other son. So this would have been cute for him. But unfortunately, they only had it in 2 to 3 years. So we're gonna go ahead and try this on him as well. But this is so freaking cute, and it's good quality. I'm gonna just try this on him at the end. I'm gonna show y'all everything first. And then we also got this, what is this? 2-piece set. These are the pants with the shirt. Fresh to death. And I got the little white stripe there. Right. And then, if y'all want to shop SHEIN for your kids, make sure you use my discount code, okay? So,
that looks big.
This is another 2-piece, well, 3-piece set. Yeah, 9, you know.
9.
Baby blue. And then it comes with the tank top. Well, not even a tank top. The long sleeve shirt to go under the vest. How cute is that? Yeah, get into it. My baby be having more clothes than me. No, we got just about the same. But yeah, okay. And then this is the this is so cute. He's obviously gonna have to wear it like with an undershirt, but this little jumpsuit, I forgot what these are called, jumpsuits. And then it also comes with the little hat.
That's the same thing. That.
And then this is another 2-piece in 2 to 3 years. I thought this was so cute. This denim top along with the denim shorts. And it says Dreamer. Yep. And then he had like one of the biggest packages. And then we also have another 2-piece. That smells like my grandma's house. You know how your grandma's house, you smell like bananas and stuff like that when you go in there? Alright, so then we got this other 2-piece, y'all. The quality. Let's get into the quality, though. Period. It also comes with the shorts that have this little label on them. So, and then this is so cute. I know he a boy, but you know, boys can carry little bags too. So it also comes with like this little crossbody bag that goes on the top. And then there's 2 more items. So for next item is just this top. This little like polo looking top. And then I also got him these cute little sandals because it be warm out. So I'm getting him prepared for like springtime. So cute. I'm actually gonna have him try them on right now to see if they fit. These are in the size 6.5, 7.5. Alright, so let's try your shoes on. See if they fit. Maybe I should take the socks off. But, oh, they're perfect. Yeah, look. We're gonna put them in sports mode because I don't need him tripping. First, let's take this off. Maybe that'll help. We're gonna put him in sports mode because I don't need him tripping over his flip flops. Yeah. Alright. And it match your little outfit that you got on. Okay, look at her. Yeah. Okay.
Just throw it in the bag.